Hello everyone, this is Cab from In-Depth Notes. Today I'll be playing Moonrabbit, the Moonrabbit collection rather. It is a game made by DaFluffyPotato, who's a solo developer and he's incredibly talented. And I'd just like to play the game and go through maybe the source code and the assets and see what we can learn from him. Hey guys, this is Editor Cab here. I just realized that the video actually is pausing every now and again. It's freezing because my computer is really slow, so I'm really sorry about that. But it does stop freezing as bad at 2:55. So if you find it too annoying, please skip over to 2:55. Okay, so clearly we have arrow keys, and it seems like the arrow keys turned off when we jumped, which is nice. So you can tell there's like sort of shaders around the outside, which look quite interesting. And there's obviously, I don't know what called me to go to the left, but I guess it's that platform there that inspired me to go to the left. And as you go left, you can see a character, so you're enticed to move even further. Clearly an X. George, hey there. I'm George. I like to practice magic. It's amazing what it can do. You seem like the type to take interest in this kind of thing. Hello. Okay, so we know that he's a magician. I have to play this game a little bit before, but not too much. I haven't completed it. Well, it looks like you should be able to go in there. Maybe because this is quite a quick game jam, it's 48 hours. You don't have time to actually build something so that you can go inside, or maybe that's something for later on in the game as a sort of payoff. So now I move left and I want to move right. I don't know if I fall down I could die or something, so I'm not inclined to go down just yet. Oh, and I fell. I guess I'm safe. I saw a creature there, but I'm not the best platformer to get back. There you go. Right, so let's try this again. There you go, you got a long jump. I was enjoying a picnic yesterday and my hat got blown off my head. If it's not too much to ask, could you help me look for it? I can't seem to find it. I think George may be able to help you with this kind of thing. I don't know about all the magic he does, but he's always helpful. Okay, so we want to see George. Let's go see George. I see you need help finding something. My magic orb can help you with that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shoes. Alright, that should do it. Here's a map of the area the lost things might be in. Oh, now we can press Z. Okay, interesting. I have played up to the point of finding the hat, but I don't think I've played much else after that. I see the thing with that platform at the top. It looks like it could be the background, so it's not intuitive for me to see it. But obviously those are little nitpicks on an otherwise really nice game, really nice visuals. Okay. Okay, so we'll probably return the hat. I don't think I went the right way. Yeah, this feels like the right way. forgot to read that, but I think I'll go have a picnic again tomorrow. Okay. So that's one thing. I guess that's part of the game. We've done one step. So if you haven't heard of Fluffy, he's a YouTuber. Well, I'm assuming that you have heard of him because his reach as a YouTube channel is far greater than mine. But yeah, he's a tutorialist, pixel artist, well, clearly a musician as well. Because the music was really nice. Okay, so there's a little bit of a dead end here. Oh, there's another character. I was out digging for rare gems a couple days ago when I suddenly passed out of exhaustion. It seems I've lost my trusty pickaxe. I've looked everywhere, but I can't find it. Could you help me find it? If you ask George, you might be able to help out. He has a knack for this type of thing. Help me find this pickaxe. It was nice because I forgot that we were looking for the pickaxe. I was just daydreaming, I guess. But yeah, I mean, we're here, so we might as well explore like the other corner of this map. It seems like quite a chill sort of game. Oh, it feels like we should be able to get up there, but not quite. Yeah, no, not quite. Yeah, it seems like more of a chill game, help your friends out, wholesome sort of game. You know? I guess we'll look for another map piece. Hello? I see you need help finding something. My magic orb can help you with that. Whoa. Shoes! Alright, that should do it. Here's a map of the area the lost things might be in. And I guess we press Z again. Okay, it looks... Wasn't that what we were just looking at? No. Okay, these maps are actually helpful. I don't mean to be rude when I say that, but... Because the you know, there's not a map on the bottom and things like that because it was a 48-hour game. But the map does actually, I didn't think it was helpful before, but now it does look a bit more helpful. Here, lad. Hey there, lad. It's wonderful weather right now, innit? Oh, you seem like the type to help me out with a problem of mine. I've had a grandfather's pocket watch ever since he passed. However, it seems it has fallen out of my pocket. What a horrid thing to happen. I have no idea where it could be. If you could work with George to help me get it back, that would be splendid. There's a lot of things. I guess it might be weird to say, but you know, the game hasn't crashed. The game hasn't done anything that I'd expect it not to. Which is something, you know, being able to not say anything about the code not working or whatever. The fact that it's working quite seamlessly and quite well, I think is something that should be celebrated. Okay. It's almost like a bit of a memory game as well. You got to remember what the tiles look like in order to play the game quicker. Yeah, we seem to be at a bit of a dead end here. Yeah. Anyway, I'll stop playing now, as soon as because, you know, I guess I don't want to spoil the fun for everyone else. Yeah, so let's get on to the game code. Hey there, Editor Cab here. Once again, I didn't put the font up in size as I usually do for the terminal, so I'm sorry if you're watching this on the phone. You might have to squint and things like that. Again, apologies. Hopefully I'll fix it for the next video. Thank you. You know, I guess for me personally, I don't know if I'm completely accurate in saying this, because I'm not as good a developer as Fluffy is. But I feel like Python, it is quite easy to understand, and it certainly seems quite quick to develop video games in for Fluffy. But I always felt like building more and more complicated things end up being a bit more difficult. I just feel like that's a inherent thing of when something is really simple, it inherently cannot be extended to something complicated. It does seem like there's a lot less lines of code. If this was in C or something, there would be a lot of lines of code. So that's really a positive of Python. Yeah. Yeah, and it's certainly not. I'm certainly not saying that because Fluffy uses Python, he's somehow not as talented as a programmer. He's definitely talented as a programmer. I'm sure he hears a lot of times that because I use Python, I'm it's not as good as C and things like that. But that's not always true. I mean, Python certainly has a good place in this world. It's quite helpful, especially for rapid prototyping, like in game jams. Anyway, I thought I could comment on the code and things like that. I guess the artwork a bit more. The artwork is quite nice, isn't it? That's a bit blurry, but now, yeah. Yeah, it looks quite nice, quite layered. It all suits each other well. They work with each other. It doesn't feel out of place. Things like, yeah, very nice. Looks very good. I mean, this won best graphics in the game jam, I believe. I believe it was Ludum there. Yeah. Okay. I think that concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. All sorts of things. Yeah, it's been a bit of a relaxed video. And yeah. If you're feeling especially generous, please do donate at the links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and have a nice day. Bye bye.